Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Vivo runs Android 8, 0 or newer because Pi-P depends on system support. Once verified, go to Settings, Apps, find YouTube, and enable Picture-in-Picture permission so the system can overlay the player. Make sure you're signed in to YouTube. The app uses background playback controls linked to your account. Now open YouTube and pick a video. This prepares the app and system, so the actual Pi-P gesture works immediately when you leave the app. You play the video and then exit YouTube by swiping home or using the home gesture. This triggers Pi-P because the app retains playback in a small window. Once Pi-P appears, drag it to reposition, pinch or use handles to resize, and tap it to reveal play/pause and back to app controls. If you need to watch full frame, tap the full screen icon, which returns you to YouTube. These gestures let you multitask while maintaining control over playback without reopening the app fully. To finish, position and size Pi-P where it won't block important UI, and optionally lock or pin it if your launcher supports that, so accidental swipes don't close it. If Pi-P doesn't start, toggle the Pi-P permission off and on, force stop YouTube, then reopen. This resets the app state. Also check battery saver and background activity restrictions. Those often kill Pi-P. If problems persist, restart your Vivo to clear OS overlays. This sequence resolves most common Pi-P failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.